The large stamping lines and the thin plate line are equipped with a feeding robot for automatic production. In addition, Auto Parts Department 1 has over 100 sets of special equipment, including point-fixed welding machine, suspension welding machine, CNC laser cutting machine, CNC plasma cutting machine, CNC flat punching machine, CNC punching machine, and CNC bending machine, capable of producing stamping products in drawing, pressing, and blanking processes, and laser cutting and welding processes. Auto Parts Department 2 has 180,250T fully automatic stamping production line with a large table manufactured by Gear Machine Tool Group Company Limited, and one automatic scrap collection line, mainly producing large stamping parts for FAW Volkswagen and FAW GFN. The technical indicators of this production line has achieved a leading level of international similar products, and the instantaneous speed of the whole line of the equipment can reach 12 times per minute. In the meantime, closed automated production has been achieved to improve production efficiency. Product quality has been ensured to meet requirements of large internal and external covering products of passenger vehicles and commercial vehicles.